If you are looking for an alternative to monetizing your Instagram page, affiliate marketing is a great way to go. Affiliate marketing allows you to make money on products that you are already using and enjoying. It's not only easy to do, but it's also free. Watch this video about how people are making money with their Instagram accounts by sharing affiliate products on their pages. What are affiliate products? An affiliate product is any physical or digital good that you can sell or promote to your audience. The best part? You don't have to worry about creating the product yourself because it already exists. Since they are already created, you can simply promote them to your audience. This is a much simpler process than creating a product from scratch. How to find affiliate products on Instagram? Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to start making money online because you don't need any product of your own. However, many newbies struggle to find profitable products that sell well. If you are looking for an alternative to monetizing your Instagram page, affiliate marketing is a great way to go. Affiliate marketing allows you to make money on products that you are already using and enjoying. It's not only easy to do, but it's also free. Watch this video about how people are making money with their Instagram accounts by sharing affiliate products on their pages. Affiliate marketers have been known to make a huge percentage of commission from each sale they make. In fact, some affiliate marketers have been known to earn as much as 75% on each sale they generate. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme by any means, but it can be very lucrative once you have it down. How to build an audience using affiliate programs. Instagram has over 400 million users, and 100 million of them log in to the social media network each day. That's a tremendous amount of traffic, especially if you are promoting affiliate products. Instagram is one of the most popular social media networks, and it's a great place for affiliate marketers to share their links. You can expand your reach by focusing on this platform. But you will need to do two things. 1. Research your audience. Click into the search bar and type in a keyword that describes your target audience. For example, if you're selling clothes to young women, enter Instagram young women. Hashtag. Once you've found a few relevant profiles, click on the profile to see what hashtags they use. 3. Use search engine optimization to get your account on page 1. Search engine optimization is a great way to get your site on page 1 of Instagram due to Instagram's popularity, and so using search engine optimization is a great way to get your site on page 1 of Instagram. You can easily browse Instagram accounts by clicking on the hashtag symbol. This will display all the pictures under that particular hashtag. 2. Find products to promote. If you use the right hashtag, you can find products to promote on Instagram. You can use a hashtag to find products that fit into your niche. These products will help you promote your business, and the best part is that they're free. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be well on your way to building a successful affiliate marketing career on Instagram. Just find a product that you want to promote. The only thing you need is a product, something that you can show off. They do not have to be expensive assortments and you don't have to be a professional photographer. Just take a few pictures of your product and see what happens. 2. Make use of your Instagram account to target the right audience for that product. What you need first is to know who you are targeting. 3. Use search engine optimization to get your account on page 1. Search engine optimization is a great way to get your site on page 1 of Instagram due to Instagram's popularity, and so using search engine optimization is a great way to get your site on page 1 of Instagram. What you need to know about making money on Instagram with affiliate programs. As a way to make money on Instagram, affiliate programs are very popular. Many people are making good money with affiliate programs, but how can you get started? Affiliate programs have been around since the beginning of the internet. They are a popular way to make money online because they don't require a website or any other major investment to get started. The success of Instagram affiliate marketing can be seen in the numbers. A survey by Affiliate Window has revealed that 15% of internet users have bought a product or service from an affiliate. But there's something else that makes Instagram such a great place to run an affiliate marketing campaign: the fact that its users are both engaged and highly targeted. In conclusion, there are so many advantages of using your Instagram account for making money through affiliate marketing, one of which is that anyone can do it. Now that you know how to make money on Instagram by sharing affiliate products, please like, comment and share this video.